Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Amy Lee makeup tutorial. This one was requested a while back and I did it today. Yes, this is the makeup from the video Bring Me to Life, and I have a picture from the video to show you now. Okay, that is the picture, and I looked at it. I looked at several shots that I screenshotted while I was watching the video, and I tried to see as best as I could what her makeup looked like, and this is what I came up with. So this is what I think she had on. It's really hard to tell. That video is really dark. Anyhow, if you want to see what I used and how I went about it, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette, as well as Hard Candy Top 10 Eyeshadow in Guilty Pleasure, my usual Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, Wet n Wild Eyeliner Pencil in Baby Scott Black, Maybelline Lipstick in Touch of Spice, as well as Willow Lip Liner from Wet n Wild, and Maybelline Shine Shot in Prismatic. Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Here are the brushes listed out for you. Okay, let's begin. Grabbing that concealer and applying it all over the eyelid. Then patting it down. Okay, now switching to our Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, we are starting with Lazarus, which is a matte, very light taupe. We're going to apply this all over the eyelid, well actually in the bottom half of the eyelid, not all over. The bottom half, and we're going to blend it out at the same time. Now with a rounded shading brush, we're going to go into Liberatus, which is a darker matte taupe. We're applying it right on top of the other color, and we're going to blend it as well. Now switching to our blending brush, we're going to use this to blend the color out a bit. Grabbing a little bit more of Liberatus to just lighten things up. Okay, now with a flat rounded shadow brush, we're going into Liberatus. And we're going to use this color to line underneath the eye and in the inner corner. Okay, now with the Hard Candy palette and an angled shading brush, we're going into the lightest or the white shade. We're applying this as our brow bone highlight and bringing it in towards the bridge of the nose. With whatever is left, we're just going to brush a little bit on the inner corner of the eye. Okay, putting that palette away, taking the black eyeliner, and we're gonna dot in between the eyelashes. So this is a way to darken your lash line or create an eyeliner without it being very thick. This actually just makes a really nice dark line within the lash line. We're also going to line a little bit on the outer corner. And we're going to line underneath as close as we can get to the root of the eyelashes. Mascara time. This time I concentrated just on applying it on the top lashes, not the bottom. Okay, now it's lip liner, lipstick, and gloss time. So line the lips as usual. Apply that lipstick. And then pat on a little bit of lip gloss. Put everything away and the look is finished. Well, that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Recreate this look. It's really easy, soft, almost natural, with a little bit of shininess going on. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to give my video the thumbs up if you love Amy Lee and Amy Lee makeup tutorials. Yeah, and until next time, rock on. That, and don't forget to give my video the thumbs up. Really? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, since I always get questions, the contacts I use are from TTDI, and there is a code you can use, MakeupArtistMe, and you get 10% off. I will post their website in the description box. I always forget to do that, but I'll remember this time. And I'll also post it in the comments, just in case you want to check them out. Yeah, and all that good stuff. But I don't have any new news. I'm actually really enjoying doing straight Amy Lee tutorials, even though I've gotten a few ideas of a makeup look that I would love to do that's like my own, but I'm saving it. I'm gonna be patient and just save these looks that I'm coming up with all the while I am doing these Amy Lee makeup tutorials. And there's other things that have been requested, like doing a contacts review video, which I will do. I just have to plan when I have the time to do that, and do like a makeup collection slash makeup room tour video. Man, I'm like not thinking right now. I'm tired. Yeah, it's not that impressive, guys, but somebody asked, and I'm like, sure, that should be fun to show you my collection of makeup in the area. It's not a whole room. I share the room with my husband, but actually he shares it with me because I think I take over the most of this room. But yeah, I'll show you guys, you know, a little tour and stuff like that. So I'm planning on doing that. Yeah, I have several things on my list. Yeah, I don't really have much to talk about today. Oh yeah, everybody's like, it's been cold here still. It has not warmed up, and everyone is like, I'm done with winter. La, la, la. And I'm like, yay, thank you, winter, for lasting longer. Yay, because the summer's gonna be horrible, and I'm gonna be so miserable. By August, I'm gonna be like, ugh. I don't like heat. I don't do well in the heat. it makes me tired. Summertime is always a very draining time for me. I don't have as much energy, and yeah, I struggle to function and stuff with the hot and feeling uncomfortable all the time. In the cold, you can layer up and be warm, but you can't take enough off to cool off. You know what I mean? Like, you just can't. So I prefer the cold. I'm the odd one out most of the time when it comes to those kind of things. I usually don't like a lot of the things that other people do, and I'm not into what other people are into. There you go. There's a tidbit for you. I'm always the odd one out. It seems like I have different likes and tastes for things, but I don't care. That's who I am, and I'm not gonna conform and become like everyone else just to make people happy, or I don't know, to avoid criticism. Criticize all you want. I don't care. It's not gonna change me, and it's not gonna change how I feel about myself, like how I am happy that I am the way I am. I think for myself, I know how to think, which I've noticed that lately a lot of people don't really know how to think. They just are programmed by media and all that. Nobody really takes the time to process things. They just regurgitate stuff. There's my 2 cents. Yeah. Anyhow, that is it.